Hello students, welcome back to class. We are going to do today exercise 7.1 chapter number 7 comparing quantity. So before discussing exercise 7.1 we want to discuss its example. Introduction part already we have discussed. Let us see what is example number 1. What is example number 1? A picnic is being planned in a school for class 7th. Girls are 60% of the total number of the students and are 18 in numbers. Girls are 60%. Girls are 60% of the total number of students and are 18 in numbers. Next, the picnic site is 55 km from the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. The picnic site is 55 km far from the school and transport company is charging rupees 12 per kilometer. Means on 1 kilometer charge is rupees 12. The total cost of refreshment will be rupees 4,280. What is total cost of refreshment? 4,280. Now, can you tell what is first part? The ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in the class. So first of all, we need to find out number of girls. It is given to us. These are 18 in numbers and number of boys. So let us see how we total students in the class are. First part, let total students in class. Let us consider total students are X. Now, according to our given question, girls are 6% of the total number of students. Girls are 60% of total number of students and are 18 in numbers. And these girls are 18 in numbers. Now let us equals to 18. X is equals to 18 into 100 by 60. 10 to 10 cancel. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So X is equals to 30. Total number of students in the class are 30 and number of girls are 18. Then number of boys will be number of boys will be 30 minus 18, that is 12. So number of boys are 12 and number of girls are 18. Number of girls are 18 and number of boys are 12. So we need to find out ratio number of girls to the number of boys. Number of girls to the number of boys. Number of girls are 18 and number of boys are 12. Now cancel. This is 6 3s are 18 and 6 2s are 12. That is 3 by 2. If in ratio you want to write, then it will be 3 is to 2. 3 ratio 2. So to the number of boys, these are 3 ratio 2. What is second part? Second part, the cost per head if 2 teachers are also going with the class. Let us see, to find second part, to find cost per head. To find cost per head, what we need to find out? Let us see. First of all, we will come to know that what is total cost and then number of persons. If I will divide total cost to the number of persons, then I will get cost per head. Let us see what is total cost. Refreshment cost is 4,280. Refreshment cost is refreshment cost is 4,280 and transport cost will be, a transport company is charging 12 rupees for 1 kilometer, and picnic spot is 55 kilometer from the school. It is 55 kilometer from the school, and transport company is charging rupees 12 per kilometer. So we need to find out transport cost. How it will be? This is 55 kilometer. It will be one way distance, multiply it by 2, then it will be both ways distance. And this is on 1 kilometer. On 1 kilometer, charges are rupees 12. Charges are 12, and on this kilometer, what will be charges? You have to multiply it by 12. So this will be charge. This will be the total distance. In next line you can write what is transport cost. We want to find out this 110 kilometer is the total distance. This is total distance. And cost on transport will be 110 into rupees 12. On 1 kilometer charges are 12 rupees, and on 110 kilometer charges will be multiplied by 12. It will be 12 1 are 12, and 12 1 are 12, and 1 13. It is 1320 rupees. 1320 rupees. Let's see, this is the total cost of refreshment, and this is the total cost of. So total cost I want to find out. Total cost, total expenditure I want to find out. It will be rupees 4280 plus rupees 1320. What it will be? It will be 20136, and then add. It will be 0, 8 and 2, 10, 3 plus 2, 5. It is 5, and then 6. It is 6,600. 6,600. Let us see what we have done. I calculated total distance. First of all, total refreshment cost is 4,280. 4,280, and after that, this picnic site is 55 kilometer from the school. So total distance, if we need to find out, because we have to find out total cost, total distance will be, it is 55 for one way, one sided, and if both sided we have to find out, then multiply it by 2. Total distance will be 110 kilometer. Now cost on this transport on this 110 kilometer will be, cost is charges on 1 kilometer is rupees 12, and charges on 110 kilometer will be, multiply it by 12. 12 zeros are 0, then 1, 12 1 are 12, and 1 13. It is 1320. Now if we have to find out cost per head, we have to find out cost per head. So we need to add these total cost of refreshment and cost on transport. Add this, it will be 6,600. 6,600. Now cost per head will be, total cost is 6,600 by number of persons. How many persons are there? Let us see. 18 are girls and 12 are boys, and 2 more teachers join. They are total 32 in numbers. These are total 32 in numbers. So total are 32 rupees this. Now we can find out, simplify. It is 2 1 2, 2 6 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 are 6, 0 and 0. Further, 2 8 are 16, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 0. 2 4 are 8, 2 8 16, 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10. Further, 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 0, 4 6 are 24, and 4 2 are 8. Something is this. So, how we can find out cost per person? Cost per head if two teachers also going with the class, means number of girls are 18 and number of boys are 12 and two more teachers, total persons are 32, and total cost we have to find out, and then we have to add this cost. So in this way we can find out cost per head. Okay, what is third part? If their first stop is at place 22 kilometer from the school, first place is 22 kilometer, first stop 22 kilometer from the school, what percent of the total distance of 55 kilometer is this? We need to find out this 22 kilometer is what percent of this 55 is. We need to find out this 22 kilometer is what percent of 55. So how we can find out? 22 by 55 into 100. So it will be 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 0 as it is. It is 40%. It is 40%. If this 22 kilometer is 40% of 55 kilometer, then remaining distance will be 60%. Remaining distance will be 60%. So what percent of the total distance is left to be covered? If 40% is covered, then 60% will be remaining. So example number 1 is completed. So in this exercise, just one example is given to us. So now we are going to start exercise. Let us see what is first question of exercise 7.1. Find the ratio of the following. What is first part? Speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. First of all, if we have to find out ratio, we have to check their units. If units are same, then we can find out their ratio. What is first part? We need to find out ratio of speed of cycle to the speed of cycle to the speed of scooter. Speed of scooter. Speed of cycle to the speed of scooter. What is speed of cycle? This is 15 km per hour and speed of scooter is 30 km per hour. This kilometer per hour to kilometer per hour cancel. 15 1s are 15 and 15 2s are 30. It is 1 by 2. In ratio, if you want to write, you will write 1 ratio 2. 1 is to 2. We can read it. It is 1 ratio 2. What is second part? B part. 5 meter to 10 kilometer. We need to find out ratio 5 meter to 10 kilometer. We can't find out this one ratio. For we need to convert these unit in 1. We have to convert 1 unit into another. So this 5 by 10 as it is, this meter as it is, 1 kilometer contain 1000 meter. 1 kilometer contain 1000 meters. So this meter to meter will be cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. What is ratio 1 upon 2000? So in ratio, if you have to write, you will write 1 ratio 2000. 1 ratio 2000. What is third part? 50 paise to rupees 5. 50 paise to rupees 5. Rupees 5. So we need to convert this rupees to paise or paise to rupees. We want to make their these unit same. So it will be 50 paise as it is. This 5 into 100 paise, because 1 rupee contain rupee 1 contain 100 paise. 1 rupee contain 100 paise. So it will be this paise to paise cancel. 10 to 10 cancel. This 5 to 5 cancel. It is 1 by 10. Ratio is 1 ratio 10. What is ratio? 1 ratio 10. So first question is completed. What is second question? Second question, convert the following ratio to the percentage, This ratio we have to convert into percentage. How we can write this one? A part. 3:4 we have to convert into percentage. If we have to convert this ratio into percentage, then this ratio can be written as 3/4. And for converting into percentage, multiplied by 100. So it will be 4 1 4, 4 25 100. 25 into 3, 3 into 25, that is 75%. 75%. This ratio is 75%. Now, what is B part? B part is 2:3. Write it 2/3 into percentage. So it will be, for percentage we have to multiply it by 100. It will be 200/3. 200/3. In fraction you can give your answer. So second question is also completed. What is next question? Next question is 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? 72% of 25 means total students are 25, and 72% of 25 are interested in mathematics. So how many are not interested in mathematics? There are two ways to do this question. Let us see. Solution. First of all, we will write total students. Total students are 25. Interested student in mathematics, or you can say students interested in mathematics are 72% of 25. 72% of 25. So it will be 72/100 into 25. 25 is 25, 25 4 is 100. Now 4 1 is 4. Further 4 1 is 4. 4 8 is 32. So there are 18 students out of 25 which are interested in maths. So how many are not interested in maths? Students, number of students who are not interested in maths, that will be 25 minus 18. 25 minus 18, that is 7. 7 students are there which are not interested in mathematics. Now see, this is the first type. We can attempt this question with this way also. Let us see what is second way. 72% are interested in maths out of 100%. So 28% are not interested in maths. So direct you can find out 28% of 25. 28% of 25. Let us see, 28/100 into 25. 25 is 25, 25 4 is 100, 4 is 4, 4 7 are 28. So 8 number of students are there who are not interested in mathematics. Question number third is also completed. Let us see what is question number 4. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? Their win percentage is 40 and football team won 10 matches. 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. Let us see. We can find out, first of all, we have to find out total number of matches. Let total number of matches are x. Total number of matches are x. And won percentage is 40% and win matches are 10. So according to question, if we want to write 40% of x is equals to 10. This is won percentage of total matches and win matches are 10. So 40% of x must be equals to 10. So we have to write 40 by 100 in of means multiplication x is equals to 10. X is equals to 10 into 100 by 40. 100 by 40. 1 0 to 1 0 cancel. 4 1 4, 4 25 is 100. X is equals to 25. So how many matches they played in all? 25. Number of matches played are 25. How many matches did they play in all? So total number of matches are 25. Out of 25, they won 10 matches, which is 40% of this 25. Question number 4 is completed. Let us see question number 5 of this exercise, and this is the last question of this exercise. What is question number 5? If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money. One more left before this. If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, 75% of her money she spent, and after spending 75%, money left with her is 600. It's mean this is 25% of 600. How much did she have in the beginning? Let us consider has x rupees in the beginning. Let Chameli had rupees in beginning x. She had x rupees in the starting, in the beginning. Now according to this question, if we want to write 75% she spent, so from total 100%, if you will subtract this 75%, then you will get 25%. This is the left money. You can write 25% of money in the beginning is 600. Is 600 because this is the left money. Now she has with 600 rupees. She is with 600 rupees. So 25% of x will be 600. 25 by 100 of means multiplication. This is rupees 600. So 25 is a 25, 25 for the 100. So it will be x is equals to 600 into 4 by 1. That is 2400. That is 2400. How much did she have in the beginning? She was with 2400 rupees. In the beginning, she was with 2400 rupees. And 75% of this 2400 she spent after spending 25% she left with this money, and in percentage it is 25 and in rupees it is 600. So 25% of this x will be 600. For this x you will get 2400. So in the beginning she was having 2400 rupees. What is next question, last question of this exercise? If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games if the total number of people is 50 lakh? Find the exact number who like each type of game. Let us see. If 60% people in a city like cricket, you will write people percent and people like football. People like football, that are 30%, and remaining like other games. People like other game. Other games will be, this is 90%, total is 100%. So remaining other games will be 10%. Now, then what percent of the people like other game? These are 10%. If the total number of people is 50 lakh, total number of people are 50 lakh. Find the exact number who like each type of game. Now, people like cricket. These are in percentage. Now, number of people like cricket. This time we need to find out exact number of people. This was in percentage. So we can find out 60% of 50 lakh. 60% of 50 lakh. So easily we can find out 60 by 100 into 50 lakh. This is 50 lakh. These 20 to 20 will be cancelled. Answer is 6 5s are 30. This 0 as it is, and these 3 zeros as it is. 3 lakh peoples are there who liked cricket. Now, number of people who like football. Who like football? How we can find out this one? We will find out 30% of 50 lakh. 30% of 50 lakh. Similarly, you will do calculation. And for finding number of people who like other games, that are 10% of 50 lakh. 10% of 50 lakh. So 10% of 50 lakh you have to find out, 30% of 50 lakh you have to find out, 60% of 50 lakh I found for you. So this exercise is completed. Let us see what was this question. In this question, 60% people like cricket, 30% like football, and remaining like other game. These are 10%. Now total number of people are 50 lakh. We have to find out exact number of people who like each type of game. First of all, number of people like cricket, that are 60% of 50 lakh we can find out, and number of people who like football we can find out 30% of 50 lakh, and there 10% of 50 lakh for other games. So exercise 7.1 is completed. Tomorrow we are going to discuss 7.2 and its example. Thank you.